Hello and welcome back to our next video. Today we're going to handle syndication. Syndication is when you take something that you have built, like a blog, and you get it out to the masses in different methods. For instance, if you make a blog on your Empower Network blog, write it up, you can send it over to Facebook, Google+, Twitter, StumbledUpon, etc. and make sure that all the communities that you're connected to will go see that blog on your Empower Network blog backend. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start by going to our blog. I've just finished a new posting and I've read through this. I like the way it looks, so I'm going to update it. And then I'm going to go view it. And this way I can grab the information I need for syndication. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to this website called mysocialempire.net. This is one of the many blog share websites you can use. This one requires a login. There are others like a social media bar that do not. I like this one because it has many different abilities to syndicate directly from the share screen. As you can see, these links right here, we'll be using these later on the actual post. But the options here are greater than the current ones at social media bar. So I'm using this one here. I'm going to go log in. My information is currently saved into the computer. I'm the only one who uses this computer, so this security measure is something that I'm okay with. If you are not the only person who uses your computer, as always, I suggest that you don't save the information here. I am the only one, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And it takes you directly to the link creator page. You can take a look at the archives over here. These are all the pages you've created in the past and have syndicated. You can also take a look at your account, upgrade to premium. I have not upgraded to premium yet. I'm waiting to see what else is going to be coming out with that. But let's go over here to link creator. This is going to have it give us the ability to create a new page based on this post. So I'm going to go ahead and copy out the very top, which is the URL string. See where it says destination URL? I'm going to pop that in there. I use Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. If you're on a Mac, that would be the Apple key plus the letter C, or the Apple key plus the letter V. I do cover that in a post on my website, so if you want to learn the shortcut keys, please take a look at workingwithwilliam.com, where you can find the blog post that handles the shortcut keys. Now I'm going to go back to the post again. I'm going to flip between these two pages a lot right now. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab this title, select copy, or use the Control-C key. Come back over to this tab again, which is My Social Empire. That's going to be the title. The URL slug. Now, when somebody sees mysocialempire.net / and then they're going to see what's called a slug. This is a unique identifier that indicates that this is the post that you want to get. So I'm going to put down here, I'm going to go ahead and just type the whole line there. Now, My Social Empire suggests that you use all lowercase letters in the slug, and you use hyphens instead of underscores. Just type in here now. For the link description, I usually try to come into the message here and find a snippet of conversation that I can use. So AWeber has made a point of helping you combine email and social media by helping. It's not that interesting. I like this right here. Like many businesses, you may be exploring integrating social media with your email marketing campaigns. Doing so can expand the reach of your messages and grow both. I'm going to pull that one down because I want to create some interest. I'm going to paste that into this box here. I'm going to add in the ellipses, which indicates there's more if you click the link. And it cuts off towards the end of the sentence. So in order to finish that sentence, they actually have to click the link. Might be a little mean, I don't know, but I want people to read the post at the website. Now coming back to here again, I need an image. Now I can use the image that's in here, post messages to a Facebook fan page. If I want to promote this particular link over on Facebook, they have a requirement that the image has less than 20% text, and this is more than 20% text. So I'm thinking maybe I want to do an image search. I'm going over to Google and typing in email newsletters. Come down here and click on images, and this will pull back a whole bunch of images that I can choose from. Let's see. Newsletters. These are some pretty big, busy images. I'm going to type in icon. Go back to images. There we go. Yes, I like these a lot better. Let's see if we can find one here that is enticing to click on. This is how good Google searches images are. In the middle of all these letters and stuff, there's a picture of a woman standing next to a motorbike, which is such the email newsletter icon. I kind of like the way this one looks, but it has a lot of white space in it, and against the white background inside of Facebook, I think you would lose that image, in that it wouldn't be as noticeable. It looks a little bit more colorful, a little bit more. I'm liking the way this one looks. Let's click on that. Okay, I'm going to click over here on more sizes. This image is a little bit big for Facebook to do. I'm going to click on more sizes, and it is the only size. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one down, and hopefully this will be something that gets resized as we upload. Now I'm going to show you a quick little tool here. This is really cool. This is called Jing, J-I-N-G. You can download this particular tool at jing.com, or you can do an internet search for Jing. It's a screenshot tool. This allows you to take a screenshot from the from anywhere on your screen, any information that shows up, which is cool on itself. Your computer probably came with a program that does it automatically. But I'm going to show you a specific functionality that is key to getting your images to show up properly on Facebook without having to jump through any hoops. So I guess this is the hoop that needs to be updated. So cut it there. See where it says capture image? I've just selected the area that I want to capture. So I'm going to go ahead and click on capture image. Okay. This is what I'm looking at here. We can make different changes to this. You know, it allows you to change colors, add text, stuff like that. If you have the Snagit tool, you can edit it in Snagit. Snagit is a pay-for system, so it's not one that I'm going to show you here. But this is the key right here. Share via screencast.com. This particular link will allow you to send this image directly to Screencast. See how it's uploading it? Screencast is now going to host that image. And it is my understanding that Screencast is a trusted image share system where Facebook will show the image no matter what because they trust that they know what they're doing. Some personal blogs, younger blogs, if you host the images locally, they can be ignored, and that is something we want to avoid. That's why I'm using screencast.com as the location using Jane to share from. So what I've done is I did a right click on this page here. You know, it showed me the link. Go ahead and go to the your folder over there. This is just a folder. If you copy this information here, you will not show the image correctly. It won't show up right at all. What you want to do is you want to do a right click on top of this image. Click on View Image. And now it's just going to show you the image itself. See how all the background, the tabs and such that were here before are gone now, and you have a PNG at the end. Now you know this goes directly to the image, so you're going to copy that entire bit out, and we're going to go back to My Social Empire. See where it says image URL. I'm going to go and paste that in there. I've got all the way up to the ping, so I know this is going to work out correctly. It's got my name in there, so that's my folder. And then I'm going to click on Create Link. When you do this, My Social Empire goes in and creates a link within their system. So I can sort by created here. This is the last one I created. This is today's date. And this is the slug that I've created. Remember we talked about the URL slug? So I'm going to copy this. And I'm also going to click it. The reason why I'm clicking it is because I want to make sure that the promise went all the way through. When we first logged into My Social Empire, I was showing you these buttons up here. And this is something that I want to do right now. You're going to click these all along the top. It's going to come up with different windows where you can go ahead and share. Now, because I have two windows open, these windows are opening up on the other screen, so I'm dragging them over here so you can see them. In here, tips and tricks. It has the name of the post that I'm doing, so I'm pinning it. This is for Pinterest. This one over here was for Google+. This one here, the green one, is for a site called Stumbled Upon. This one's a little bit more involved. You do have to tell them whether it's safe for work. And for the, I'm going to say this is about internet. You can write a caption. When I help others syndicate, in other words, I go to their blog postings and I run through these buttons for their Empower Network blog. I'll put my comments in here. Great post, good information. Thank you for sharing. You know, whatever the comments are that I'm putting in there, and then I'll hit Add This Page. Since this is my own, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Add This Page. And then LinkedIn. And then Twitter. Now once you have this down, and you've done this a couple times, you'll be able to breeze through this. I'm going slower so that you can see what's going on. So now I've clicked on the Facebook link, and as you can see, this is the post that they're going to share. I could do this on my own timeline or on a page that I manage. I'm going to do the page that I manage for Working with William and click on Share the Link. This will now post directly on my Facebook page. I've clicked through all the top pieces right here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the Facebook page so you can see whether it's posted correctly. There is my newsfeed. I go down here to Working with William. And as you can see, it showed up. And it did not have the link that you typically would see up here. The image turned out to be okay for the size that's here. Now, we also have the option of liking our own stuff, commenting on it, sharing it, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This is important to syndication. And to boost your post. You could, if you wanted to, pay Facebook to show this particular link on several people's timelines so that they can decide if they want to click on it. And I believe it shows up just kind of like this over here. I'm not going to boost my post right now, but I'm going to share it. Now, I am a member of several different syndication groups within Empower Network. Use the ones that you want to use, and don't worry about the specific names that are here. If you are part of my downline and you are not part of this first one, please let me know. Send me an email, send me a message on Facebook. Get in touch with me however you can so you can get put into it. That's the Team Massive Power Syndication Group. When you share this, there, I'm going to go ahead and share this on several of these groups that I'm a member of. Group. Now I'm just typing in the letter T because it seems like most of the groups that I'm a member of have the letter T in them. So I get the full list as you saw there. One of the groups that I'm a part of, that is also if you're not a member of, actually has me going in and putting in the link itself there. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Syndication link. Now what this is doing is putting inside the group a link to your page, your blog, so that people can go and read about it. Now the reason why you're putting them into these closed groups, the reason why you're putting them into these closed groups is because you want other Empower Network users to share your information on their timelines, so that you have more exposure around all the different people that are on Facebook. The more people that you can have them share, the more people you have exposure to. Now, for the last one that I'm going to share on, remember this is our blog where we were. This is the Empower Network. This is the My Social Empire. And this should be it here. This is the actual page that we were originally sharing from. Then we went to Facebook and started to join the groups. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link right here so that I can share it on this last group that we were talking about. Now I'm going to go back to my feed. I'm going to go to the 40K Formula Blogging Group. If you're not a member of this system and you are part of my Team Massive Power, then let me know, because this is a very powerful part. Adam Ward is part of our group. He put this together, and this one's put together a little bit differently. As you can see, it says post a link to your daily blog in the comment section of this post. You want to come here and you want to click on comment. And down here at the bottom, you're going to paste the link you just copied. Okay, My Social Empire, post your email newsletter to your Facebook fan page. And then you click on enter. Now this is going to render the image. As you can see, it loaded up. So it looks just like on your fan page. It has the image here, the title, as well as a little bit of information you typed in. If you click on see more, you can see the full amount that you typed in. If you click on the image or on the title, it'll take you to the My Social Empire share page. And as you can see up here at the top, all these have updated. As you can see, we shared on all these. Google Plus is not updated yet, but that's how you do syndication. If you have any questions, as always, please give me a holler, let me know.